Recently, our old AC unit broke after 3 years, and we decided to get this one after seeing how many great reviews there were on Amazon. The unit is quite heavy, but the assembly is very easy, and I was able to get this set up in less than 30 minutes. Reviews rave about how quiet this unit is, and I can attest that this unit is extremely quiet and can cool the room down within an hour. It also comes with a remote control that's magnetic and attaches to the unit, and settings on the unit and remote that can turn the display off and on and control the speed of the fan. This is a high quality unit for the price, and I would highly recommend.